Alright, I'm ready to work on this bathroom. It needs some caulking. This area is here. So I use my tools to take these little things from here. So I guess it's ready. And in a minute I'll show you the tools I use to take the things out from here. I think I spent less than $20 from Walmart. This little thing is very helpful to take these corners, black holes. I even used the butcher's knife. This was good, the corner, and then the utility knives. Okay, and the next step I'll put the caulkings and also a tape, painter's tape. This one is less than $1, so that's it. Now I put all the painter's tape, and it was not that easy for me to fix the corner all the way up here and the everywhere. So the painter's tape is ready, and now the next step is the caulking. For the caulking I use the little the things here to make the hole, and I put in the silicone here, and then you take the cap and cut in a slanted way using your utility knife. Make sure to use gloves in your hand. I'm going to use gloves. Okay, caulking in this area is done, and when I take the tape out, I think it looks good. However, this is not a pleasant experience. Maybe many of you, like myself, who wants to try first time, it may be interesting. But I guess if you have an amigo nearby, if you have friends who can come and help you, I think that's much better. Earlier I was working on another bathroom, but I messed it up. Hopefully this one will work better. So I will let it dry for maybe about 5 to 10 minutes. And then also I will press gently on this corner like this to have a smooth and give it a little pressure. And then let's see how it works. Caulking is over, so I will take the painter's tape in about 5 to 10 minutes. I don't know what the heck I'm doing. Maybe I choose the right materials, and those who are watching this video, maybe you can post a comment. I use this one, maybe wrong or right. Then in a few minutes I will use the clear seal. I think it needs when completely dried, and it works I think everywhere. It says pretty much on every surface. This is the other bathroom I use. There's materials for my caulking. Looks good, looks okay. It's not professionally perfect. However, it works for me for time being until I find another amigo who can help me. Alright, thank you for watching.